Hi guys, another day, another bunch of kits come in. So let's have a look. This time we're going to have a look at a whole lot of armour that's come in, or armour related items. There's some old stuff, some new stuff, and a couple of things I want to show you that's of interest. Firstly, we'll have a look at, this is Ace models. These do 72nd scale. That's the Machon Amex 1375. If you're into 72nd scale, you'd probably know Ace models anyway. Their quality is very good. The detail is usually pretty cool. The instructions, rubber band track in most cases, in all cases. Lots of parts, so that it's not something you can just sort of throw together in an hour or so, like an Airfix kit or something like that. This is much more detail. There's decals, and I think there's even a bit of etch metal in there as well. So if you haven't done an Ace kit, these are really nice to do. The range is quite significant. They do a lot of odd bod stuff that you may not have thought was available in kit form. This is the crash fire tender. This is the Unimog version of it. Again, nice kit, nice detail, all the little bits extras and things like that. These guys have been doing really well for some time. The kits themselves, as I said, are very good. They come with etch metal and things like that. So again, if you're looking for a 72nd scale kit to fill out, or you're just happy doing 72nd scale armour, then away you go. We also got in a bunch of stuff from a company called Now we've been doing for a while. This is the first time I've actually been able, I think, to show you some of their stuff. Again, along similar lines of Ace, they do some really nice kits. The kits themselves go together well. Not a lot to it because they keep it nice and tight in the bag, but there's lots of parts in there. This one, I believe the tracks are buried in there somewhere, but quite nice little kit. Very straightforward. I don't think these guys come with any etch metal, so you don't have to worry about that, but the actual vehicles themselves are very good. Yes, they're 72nd scale. Yes, you're going to have to do a little bit of work to get them done up properly. The instruction sheets are fairly stock standard, straightforward sort of bits and pieces. Just looking at the track. Oh, the track is, it's not one piece, it's like sections, and you sort of build it around the thing. So it's still in plastic, but it just sort of locks around the kit in sections. So you don't have to assemble the actual links, but you do have to assemble the track. So that's quite a nice little one. That's one of the Stugs. That's a Stug 3. This is a Flamwerfer, so it's based on the Stug again. Again, same sort of kit, quite nice. What else we got? This is their Recovery M32B1 TRV. Again, nice kit. Does all the colour schemes on the back, so it gives you a rundown on that. And this one is the STRV M41 light tank. Not sure where that comes from. I think it's Finnish, to be honest. Yeah. Again, nice kit. So if you're looking again, like Ace, it's just that nice series of armour. Do a lot of unusual bits and pieces, and quite nice kits to build from what I'm told. Now, from ICM in 35th scale, we've got the next one in the series of the Chernobyl series. Again, if you've not seen this series, find it. It's just really interesting. This is the 4th one in the series that they've done. I believe they've actually announced there's going to be 2 or 3 more as part of the series. If you see the movie, you know, or see the series, you know what these guys are doing. This is the detectors. They've done the truck, the fire truck, and the guys that do a certain job on one of the buildings. So rather than tell you all about it, go and see it. It really is very good. So ICM's been doing this series. So these are the detectors, so that's quite good. Also new from ICM, this is their Model T Rnas armoured car in 35th scale, but it comes with figures this time. So if you want to do a bit more and you want to give it a go, this is again very nice vehicle, nice little unit, so that's quite good. Also from them, this is the SDKFZ 247B, OSB, with crew this time. So again, another one where they've released a kit previously, and I think this one's done a while back, but they've now released it with a crew, so you get all the bits and pieces in it. Haven't read too much about this one, so I don't know, but I'm sure there's people out there who know way more about this stuff than I do. But from what I can gather, if it's ICM, it's just lovely. The last one I was going to talk to you about, this is the World War I ANZAC Desert Patrol. Now, with Anzac Day coming up. You know, people might be jumping around looking for this sort of stuff. This is all 3 vehicles that they've released. All 3 of them have been released separately, but this time they've released it as a package. So you get the Model T, the staff car, and the little ute at the back there. It's a nice series. The kits have gone together well. From what I've talked to people about, everybody's enjoyed building them. Nobody's had any great dramas, and it's a great way to build up a nice little desert World War I scene in 35th scale. The kits themselves go together well. I'm really, really impressed with ICM at the moment. The stuff that they're doing these days is just superb. I'm building one of their invaders at the moment, and I literally sat down one night just to sort of fiddle around to have a look at see how it was going. This is the 48 scale A26 invader. Doing a few bits and pieces on it. Within about 2 or 3 hours, all the basic sub-assemblies were done. The fit is just magnificent. The whole kit itself, hopefully I'll have it finished in the next couple of weeks, and I'll show you what it looks like from them. I will try and take some photos so you can see what it is. Other than that, as I said, ICM is going really, really well. Other than that, have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you then.